Speak right, Africa.
Lesson 7. Consonant Sounds Review. Use the following questions to test your memory. Listen to these words. What consonant sound do you hear in each of the words? 1. Ride, bridle, round, trend. 2. Chauffeur, chef, brush, mission. 3. Treasure, vision, pleasure, garage. 4. Chair, watch, drench, chow. 5. Joy, bridge, cage, wage. 6. Queue, due, new, few. 7. Cake, rake, anchor, rank. 8. Grunt, girl, ghost, hanger. 9. When, wonder, sower, Wednesday. 10. Hand, who, holly, how. 11. Think, throw, whiff, breath. 12. Breathe, them, weave, father.
I'm your speech coach, Chris Orchard. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words. Door, down, draw, dream, drive. Pomade, pomade. Posture, machine.
Speak right, Africa. Speak right, Africa.